Let me show you how it's set up and also use Live Translate on your Google Pixel 10 and 10 Pro. First, let's go in the settings, system settings, Live Translate, and make sure you have enabled over here. Also select your language you want to translate to. And also we have to download the language packs we want to translate from. So by default, we actually do not have these. We have to click Add Language and then simply find the language you want to translate from. For the bigger language, as you see, we have full support, for example, for messaging, pretty much everything. But if you check some smaller language, it only has very limited support. So again, first make sure to simply download all the language packs basically on this phone, so you can actually understand. Then how do you actually use it? So this feature pretty much works in any application. So for example, messaging, maybe like WhatsApp. So simply let's I will send myself a message. So let's wait for it to arrive. So if I click over here, I see these pop-ups automatically as soon as basically that's some foreign language. So I can click over here now, and it will essentially give you me option to translate. So you see it translated automatically. So also I can go and check basically the original language, or again switch to the English or whatever you have. And also over here, if you click this down, you can also automatically translate, so you do not have to actually click this every time, or also don't translate this language, and also a bunch more things. Also, if you click here, you can also change the language basically. So if basically in some larger chat there is maybe let's say maybe people from Germany and from Spain speaking at the same time in their language, you would simply switch over this language, and then this phone will essentially translate, basically to the correct one. And again, this works pretty much in any messengers, so wherever you can imagine. Anyway, good luck.